Ever wondered how to make money online without selling a product? That's where CPA marketing comes in. CPA, or cost per action, is a form of affiliate marketing where you earn money each time a user performs a specific action. This could be anything from filling out a form, signing up for a free trial, or even just clicking on a link. It's a simple yet powerful way to earn online that doesn't require you to have a product of your own. You see, businesses are always looking for ways to reach out to potential customers, and they're willing to pay you to help them do that. That's the beauty of CPA marketing. You become the bridge connecting businesses to their potential customers, and you get paid for it. So, with CPA marketing, you can earn without having to sell anything. Intriguing, isn't it? Now you might be wondering, why isn't everyone doing this? Well, there are a few challenges. One of the most common hurdles in CPA marketing is grappling with its technical aspects. It's not just about posting links and waiting for the cash to roll in. You need to understand the intricacies of tracking, testing, and scaling your campaigns. Another issue that often stumps beginners is finding the right offers. With a plethora of options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the most profitable ones. Not all offers are created equal, and it's crucial to pick those that align with your target audience's needs and preferences. Lastly, let's talk about traffic. Generating consistent and high-quality traffic to your offers is no easy feat. It requires a solid understanding of different traffic sources, marketing strategies, and audience behavior. But do not fret. Every problem has a solution, and we have them right here for you. Scene script? Overcoming these challenges is easier than you think. Here's how. First, understanding the technical aspects of CPA marketing is key. Don't let the jargon scare you away. It's just like learning a new language, just take it one step at a time. Start with the basics and gradually move to more complex concepts. There are plenty of resources online to guide you, and before you know it, you'll be fluent in CPA marketing lingo. Next, finding profitable offers can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. The secret is in doing your research. Find out what's trending, what people are interested in, and what problems they're looking to solve. Then find offers that align with these needs. This way, you'll be providing value, and in return, you can earn a substantial commission. Now, let's talk about generating targeted traffic. This is where most beginners stumble, but it's not as difficult as it seems. The first step is to identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Once you have this information, you can then tailor your marketing efforts to attract this specific group. There are many ways to generate targeted traffic. You could use SEO techniques to appear in search results, engage on social media platforms, or even use paid advertising. The method you choose will depend on your budget and your audience. But remember, it's not about the quantity of traffic, but the quality. It's better to have 100 interested visitors than 1,000 disinterested ones. And finally, always stay informed. The world of CPA marketing is ever evolving, so it's essential to keep up with the latest trends and strategies. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your earnings. With these solutions, you're well on your way to mastering CPA marketing. Ready to start your journey towards making $100 per day with CPA marketing? The road to financial freedom is paved with opportunities, and CPA marketing is one of them. It's a proven and effective way to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing those daily earnings hit your account, the thrill of knowing you're building a sustainable income stream. It's all possible with CPA marketing, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. And your first step is to learn the basics of CPA marketing, understand its strategies, and apply them consistently. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back. Embrace the challenge, seize the opportunity, and start your journey today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Your journey to $100 per day starts here.